Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the Charles Watson and Family Gardens in Brampton, Ontario. Today we're taking a peaceful walk through one of the city's hidden gems. These gardens are located along the Etobicoke Creek Trail, tucked below street level, making them a quiet and calm place away from the busy city. The gardens are full of colorful flowers and well-kept plants. They're a favorite spot for photographers, especially during weddings and graduations. The peaceful setting and beautiful views make it a great place to relax and enjoy nature. These gardens are named after Charles F. Watson, a key figure in Brampton's growth. In the 1950s and 60s, he helped develop Peel Village, one of the city's first planned communities.
Thank you very much.
Today, the Charles Watson and Family Gardens are a tribute to his efforts in building Brampton's community. Whether you're here for a walk, to take photos, or just to enjoy the flowers, this garden offers a peaceful break from daily life. Thanks for watching!